Hey everyone, want to check the health of your SSD or hard drive using CrystalDiskInfo? CrystalDiskInfo is a free utility that reads your drive's smart data, allowing you to monitor health status, temperature, firmware, and other important information before serious problems occur. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to use CrystalDiskInfo step by step, so let's get started. First, open CrystalDiskInfo from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. Once the program starts, it will automatically detect all supported storage devices connected to your computer. If you have multiple storage drives installed, select the drive you want to inspect. CrystalDiskInfo displays information for one drive at a time. Now look at the Health Status section near the top of the window. Labels such as Good, Caution, or Bad provide a quick overview of your drive's condition. Yeah, if you see a warning or bad status, it's a good idea to back up your important files immediately. Next, check the current drive temperature. I mean, drives that consistently operate at unusually high temperatures may experience reduced performance or a shorter lifespan. Make sure your computer has proper airflow and cooling. Scroll down to the Smart Attributes section to view detailed information reported by your storage device. These values help identify issues such as red errors, reallocated sectors, power on hours, and other drive statistics. You can customize refresh intervals, startup behavior, notification settings, and temperature units from the program's menu. Yeah, these options make it easier to monitor your storage devices over time, and that's how to use CrystalDiskInfo. By regularly checking your drive's health, temperature, and smart data, you can detect potential storage problems early and protect your important files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.